Okay, today we're taking a look at my latest Auto World Deluxe Pit Kit 77 Dodge van build. I just did this build for fun. It's called the Pumpkin. So you can see I extended the front and rear bumpers down a little bit, and the side panels I extended out about 1/16 of an inch. I added a sun visor, and obviously I cut the back off the van, turned it into a pickup, added the roll bars. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Let's take her around the track here and see how she does. Okay, it runs pretty good, just like I thought it would. Been a 4-gear. I think that's one of Auto World's better chassis, but I like all of Auto World's products. I've never had any issue with them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.